Hello and welcome back, my dear students, to your English literature class. I hope you have completed the textual exercises in your Canopy term book, and I hope you all are safe at your home. Today we are going to study lesson 5, the camel and the car. Remove page number 37 in your Canopy term book. Let us read. It was a sunny day in the town of Aziz. There was a town named Aziz and it was a sunny day. Shopkeepers had set out lemons and clothes to sell near the road. Shopkeepers were set near the roads to sell lemons and clothes. They were sitting near the roads to sell clothes and lemons. Suddenly, prap prap came a noisy car down the road. What noise came? Prap prap. It was a car. It came down the road. The sound here used for the car is prap prap. It was a sound of horn. These cars are wonderful things, thought Ali, the camel driver, as they looked at the car go by. Ali was a camel driver. He saw a car and what he said, these cars are very wonderful things. As the car passed by near him. That night, Ali's camel Sultan and the car rested in the same shed. Ali was a camel driver and the camel's name was Sultan. So, Ali, his camel and the car rested in the same shed at that night. They started talking and found that they both were traveling to town of Zela the next day. The car and Ali started talking. So, when they started talking, they both came to know that they were traveling to Zela. They both had to go to Zela the next day. So, they both were resting together in one shed. My driver and I will get there very fast. We will surely be faster than you, boasted the car. The car said that my driver and I will reach there very fast. Ali was a camel driver. He did not have a car. So the car boasted and said, boasted means spoke proudly about what it could do. The car proudly said that I will reach there very fast because it was a car and the camel is slow. So the car said to Ali that it will reach there before his camel and him. Turn your page. The next day it was Sultan and Ali who left first. Then it was the next day. Then Sultan and Ali left first. Sultan means the camel and Ali the camel driver. They both left first. The car didn't left first. They travelled through places of dry rock and sand. Then they travelled through places where it was dry. The rocks were dry and the sand was dry, like it was a desert area. As the sun rose higher in the sky, it became hotter and hotter. As the sun rose, the day became hotter and hotter. Suddenly they heard behind them on the road prap prap. Then they heard a noise. What was the noise? Prap prap. It was a noise of the car. It was a noisy sound and it was sound of horn and it was made by car again. The noisy little car overtook them at a high speed. Overtook means came from behind and went past. The car was behind them and then it overtook them at very high speed. Hurry up, it called to Sultan. The car said to Sultan. Sultan was a camel. He said to Sultan that hurry up. You will never reach Zela at this speed. The camel was walking very slow. So the car said to camel that hurry up. You will never reach to Zela if you walk in this speed. And it drove off down the road. And then the car went very fast. Ali and Sultan walked on for some time. Ali and his camel were walking, and they walked for some time. Soon they heard prap, prap, prap. So again they heard the noise prap, prap of the horn. It was a sound made by car. The sounds of the car's horn were sad. Okay, so this time the sound of the car's horn was sad. It was sounding very sad. So why it was sounding sad? Let us know. Ali and Sultan followed the sounds and reached the car. Then what? Ali heard the noise and it was sounding sad. So they both heard the sound and they both went to the car. The man in the car was looking very angry. The man who was driving the car, he was looking very angry. I have run out of petrol, the car explained sadly. I have run out of petrol. Run out of means when you run out of something, you have finished all that you had of it. Means the car had finished his petrol. Ali could not help the car. Ali could not help the car. वो कार की हेल्प नहीं कर सका. But he offered to take the man into town on his camel. Then what he did? Then he offered man to take town on his camel. He told that man that I will take you to the town. You sit on my camel. It was evening when Ali, Sultan and the man reached the gates of Zilla. When they reached to Zilla, it was evening. And at the evening, they reached at the gates of Zilla. Who reached Zilla? Ali, Sultan and the man. But the car had to spend the night alone in the desert. Then what? The car was alone in the desert for the whole night. There was no one with the car. The car was all alone in the desert. It learned that although the desert is hot by day, it is cold by night. The car learned that the deserts are hot by day, but they are very cold by night also. The little car felt very cold. The car felt very cold. It was helpless. There was no one with the car, so the car felt very cold. I wish I had not boosted so much, it said sadly. The car said that I wish I did not boost so much. He was feeling very sorry. When the sun rose the next morning, the little car felt very lonely. The whole night that car spent all alone in desert. Then the next morning, the car felt very lonely because there was no one with the car. So the car felt very lonely. But soon Sultan and Ali came to help the car. Then who came to help the car? Sultan and Ali, the camel and Ali. Ali tied rope to the car and Sultan pulled it towards Zilla. Ali took a rope with him. Then what he did? He tied a rope with the car and then he pulled the car to Zilla. The camel pulled the car to Zilla. The camel was tied a rope with the car. Then what? The camel moved forward and the car moved behind the camel. So it pulled the car towards Zilla because they had to reach the town Zilla. The little car said prap prap in thanks. The little car again made a noise prap prap. And it was saying thank you to Sultan and Ali. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.